Nuba, yamkela.
Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, the congratulations messages are pouring in for King Nuba, one of the Mzansi's favorite social media sensations. Yamkela Ndabezinhle Nuba, popularly known as King Nuba, has obtained his second qualification from Walter Sisulu University. In 2021, the Umzumkulu born artist graduated from the institution's Adult Basic Education and Training ABET program at Butterworth campus, and yesterday he officially acquired his second belt, a postgraduate certificate in education, which is known as PGCE. I'm extremely happy because this is my first physical graduation and an opportunity which COVID-19 denied me with my previous qualification. From here on, I intend to find a decent position as a professional teacher and then continue to entertain people on the side, said King Nuba. After finishing high school, guys, Nuba enrolled at Walter Sisulu, where he joined Walter Sisulu University Drama Society, which says grows his love and passion for the art. As a result of his enrollment in ABET and his involvement in Art Society, King Nuba gained self-confidence and overcame stage fright through presentations and practical work. King Nuba recently released the song titled Wathi Akazange Alahle Ithemba, which has amazed over 260k views on YouTube. Once again, guys, congratulations to King Nuba. He entertained us and studied at the same time. So it's a lesson learned, guys, that you can do both and follow your dreams. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below, guys, and share your opinion. Bye.